Today on Antiques, we'll be looking at the Olympus Stylus Zoom 115. Now this camera is one that I'd consider more of a higher end film camera, being that it does give you a lot of cool options. Now it does have a built-in camera cover where you see the name of the camera. That's actually where the lens is hidden right under there. You have the slot to put this camera on a tripod. That's pretty much standard on all cameras. At the top here we have the zoom in, the shutter, and the flash. This camera feels pretty sturdy. It feels like a strong camera. Here we have where we put in the film. So for those not familiar with film cameras, you do buy the film that you put in there. So when you take the shots, you do take the film to then have it developed either at CVS or your local photo printer company. This camera actually feels very solid. Let me see here to see what I can open up. Here we have the battery. It does not look like a standard AA battery, but the batteries with these cameras, all you really need is a film and the battery in order to have it working. Now when you slide open this door, it does initiate the camera to power up, but it looks like the battery that I have in here is dead currently. But typically this lens would come out and be ready to take the shots where you can zoom in and out. So you can tell this camera looks pretty nice with the metallic looking cover. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It actually feels like a heavy duty camera. Here we have the shutter. I'm trying to see if I can power it up. No power. Under here is where you would have the flash. The flash pops up. It is hidden, which most of these film cameras, you would have the flash built right in front of the camera. With this one in particular, if you shut off the flash, it does go away. Actually look, there is a flash built into the front, so there's two flashes on there. So I'm assuming the one in the top is